Right, hey guys, and today I'm gonna be attempting to clean this Real Techniques beauty blender in the microwave, which is what I've got up here. Don't mind this, it's really dirty. I actually can't even remember the last time I washed this. I have no idea what that is. Might be some eyebrow pencil, maybe, I have no idea. It's really dirty. Don't judge me. I'm gonna clean it now, but using the microwave. So let's do this. So we have our fairy liquid, off-brand. Who cares? If you know this one, you know this one. That disgusting thing that I'm gonna clean. There we go, there we go. Squeeze half of this. Oh, no, not half, just a little bit at the bottom. Oh, that might be too much. Ew, it looks really weird because it's yellow. Now I'm gonna fill this halfway. I hope that's enough. I'm gonna fill this halfway with water from the tap. All right, come on. I hope this works. Otherwise I'll just ruin an entire blender. Okay, that's halfway. That's definitely halfway. Maybe have to pull some of that out. Let's go. Here we go. Ooh. There we go, halfway. Right, I'm just gonna pop this in. That's it. You know, push it in a little bit because what if it doesn't clean? I'm not actually expecting this to, oh, my hands are wet now. I'm not actually expecting this to work because it is so dirty, but okay. Here we have our microwave high on there. I'm gonna just push that open. There we go, here we go. Put that in there. Close that, set it for 1 minute, and there we go. Wow, this minute is taking so long. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Okay, this is gonna be really hot, but I'm gonna try not to burn myself. Oh. Right, still looks just as dirty. Let me check it. Careful because this water's now going to be like boiling and I'm not about to burn my hands over a beauty blender. It looks the same! Right, okay. I might do it again actually. I might squeeze it and do it again. The water doesn't even look dirty. Oh, that's really disappointing. Right, I'm going to do it again. Like this, it's hard to do with one hand. But I'm going to squeeze it to the side. And it kind of like, oh look, it's getting orange up there. Oh, the bit that oh my god, the bit that I use every single day, that bit there, is never going to come out, is it? Right, okay. I've been squeezing it for a while now, but look at the colour of the water. If I left this out and there weren't any bubbles in it and I took this out, someone in my family would definitely drink this because it looks just like some tea in a mug. That's a new prank, isn't it? Spill out the water. I'm gonna put the soap in again, water again, and we'll try it again. Right, definitely gonna let that soak in there. You're going to want to let it sit there for a while because obviously the first time didn't work. Mix it up. Make sure the soap is dissolved in the water. What's that? Ew. Right, I'm going to give it one more go. I'm going to rinse it under the tap this time because it is literally full of soap. Oh look! Oh my god, it's definitely coming out. Yeah, look, there's a difference. Yeah, there's definitely a difference. It's working. Might have to do it one more time, but you know. If it's working, then it's working. While I was doing that, look what is happening to the top. Oh my, is that like ripping? I've never seen that happen. It's like flaking away in my hand.
Can I see?
No. Wait.
Why?
That is weird. I don't usually use this side, but still, I've never seen a beauty blender do that before. Or any, sorry, Real Techniques blender do that before. So I've just re-rinsed it out. It's looking so much better. Gonna wait for it to dry, kind of squeeze it out a little bit more. But one thing I have noticed is when I squeeze it, it stays in the same shape because of the soap that's still inside. But that was bound to happen anyway. I mean, I'm cleaning it with dish soap. So yeah, we'll see the before and after in 1 minute. Right, so I am now back with my clean-ish beauty blender. Couple things that I did notice was over here at the bottom, it's kind of like flaking, like the sponge is like breaking apart. On the side as well, where the mark was, the black mark, it might have been because of the way that I was like scrubbing it, or it could have been because I put it in the microwave twice. I could hear the soap still inside it. Can you hear it? Don't know if you can hear that, but yeah. But yeah, it's definitely cleaned it. Or we'll obviously see from the before and afters. But that's about it. It's kind of a fail because of these bits, but it's also a success because I wasn't really expecting it to be amazing. Like, I have a brand new unopened one to use if this went really, really bad, but I will use this one more time. It smells a bit weird. That's probably because of the dish soap I used. Other than that, I think it's a success / fail. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for videos maybe not relating to orange sponges and microwaves. Woo! I'll leave you with a before and after.